Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OGCommunity token. Ticker symbol is OGC. Now this token was just announced is open for pre-market trading starting today, December 27th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the OGCommunity token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage is OGCom.xyz. Over there you can find their application. You can click launch application. At the bottom of their webpage they have a full link tree. They have a Twitter, Discord, Telegram, blog articles, all their partners, all sorts of information all over their webpage there. And they have a Twitter here with a full link tree on it as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen as usual at OGCommunity_X, blue verified checkmark, 257 posts so far. They just joined Twitter in April 2024 and they already have 612,800 Twitter followers. Huge project here. And it says OGCommunity is a convenient platform where users from all over the world can communicate, share experiences, grow, and earn. Users can not only find information about new games, streams, tournaments, and other interesting events, but also influence and develop these projects. There is a total supply of 1 billion OGC tokens, and it was just announced that this token will be open for pre-market trading starting today, December 27th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get the pre-tokens, these are the pre-market tokens, are not normal tokens. It says pre-market trading is over-the-counter service offered by MEXC Global that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. And this service lets traders set preferred prices by finding matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in pre-market trading, MEXC users can gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. So you can get this token off MEXC, the pre-market token. If you don't have an MEXC account, I do have an MEXC global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you'd have to do is go right through that MEXC global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account, and then you can get involved with the pre-market trading. So it says MEXC pre-market trading provides investors with a way to get ahead of the market before new tokens are officially issued. Compared to post-launch trading, traders have the chance to acquire trending tokens under more favorable conditions, potentially gaining a market advantage. So there is certain specific trading rules. It says the MEXC pre-market trading users can buy and sell tokens before they're officially issued. Traders can act as a maker by placing orders at preset prices or a taker by matching existing orders on the platform. Both buyers and sellers must collateralize their assets on MEXC to ensure timely settlements. Upon successful settlement by the seller, the collateral will be returned after settlement. Upon successful settlement by the buyer, the collateral will be used as payment for the settlement, and pre-market trading currently takes place within MEXC's spot accounts. So you go into the spot trading zone. So on that link tree there, if you click on the link tree on their Twitter, there's a link to download their application. They have a link to their Telegram, Discord, web page, other Telegrams, all sorts of different language pages. And then when you go to the web page, you can click on tokenomics, staking, and rewards. So you're able to stake this token once it goes fully live and then earn rewards that way. There's events, blog articles, contact information. It says, we are building the most influential community in gaming. And it says, become a part. And you can click on that, and I'll take you over to their Telegram at OGCommunity bot. And this Telegram here has 671,354 monthly users. So that is a huge Telegram user base. Now they have, it says our platform features, it's a community-driven project. They have a unique staking mechanism, free tokens every day for simple actions in the app, raffle prizes, regular tournaments in the most popular games, no investments, no forced purchases, sharing of up to 80% of ecosystem profit between community from marketing income and investment results. It says, let's make our community 10 million plus. And then they have links to download for Android, iPhone, and web browser, like your on Chrome or whatever. So it says, why grab OG points? It says, earn up to 80% from profits, DAO votes, gifts, raffles, etc. We are always extending our ecosystem to cover all needs of our community in gaming. So it says app launched, profit team launched, arena, backlog, publisher backlog, marketing launched, launchpad is in progress, streaming backlog, consulting team launched, academy in progress, DAO in progress, so you will be able to vote on proposals. There's going to be governance, so that's coming soon. Tournaments launched and marketplace backlog. So there's tons of stuff involved in this ecosystem. A lot of their partners here are also big central exchanges. Like it says Bybit is their partner and BitGet is their partner. So there's probably going to be tons of other listings pop up on their socials, central exchange listings as it gets closer to the date, the official TGE. So stay tuned for that. But as of now, you can get this token for pre-market trading on MEXC Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.